sure she's that short. That's what she needs to do. Cute. I'm Terry's date. She's so lucky to have me. Wow.
Yeah.
Wow. Wow.
Kitty.
Terry, please tell us why you're eating strawberry ice cream.
It's sweet. It's
disgusting.
Nice.
It tastes like apple. Very nice. Very nice. Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In case it's your first time here, hi. My name is Joan, and welcome to the Sandy Game. How are you? So subscribe to Sai, please. Let's not waste each other's time. Stop wasting my Google time. Subscribe, because you know this content is bomb. If you're staying until this point, you know it's going to be bomb. So subscribe. God. Anyway, clickety clack. The bad bitch is back. So, as the title suggests, I am at Holiday Inn 2 Rivers Mall. It's located inside 2 Rivers Mall. Handle playing on the screen right now. The link to their Instagram is also in my description in case you would like to book a staycation. If you follow me on Instagram, and you should, or TikTok, you've already seen me doing like a room tour and a property tour before, but I haven't shot anything for YouTube, even though I've been here multiple times. So I thought you guys deserve your own. Okay, that's why we're here. So let's get into the room tour. I hope you enjoyed that. Yeah, you enjoyed it, yes? Yes, brilliant. So I don't even know what they call this room. I think it's called a deluxe. I'm going to look everything up. By the time this is going up, you will have all the correct information. It comes with a minibar. Okay, not really a minibar, because you can have tea, coffee, those hot beverages. There's a fridge, a mini fridge, in case you're interested. Carrefour is literally walking distance from this hotel, so go walk, buy your stuff, and bring, so you can bring your own drinks and all of that. They have an iron box and an ironing board. Love that. And it's hidden and right out of the way, so ni pasi but ni hang ndani ya closet. I really love that. The beds are super comfortable, a little addictive. I stay sleeping. I love the shower pressure. Oh my god, I love it. I love it very much. So we came here on a full board basis, so it's lunch and dinner and breakfast. Their breakfast is buffet. Their lunch and dinner is a la carte. We enjoyed both of those. There's a gym, which I obviously don't care about, but I passed through the gym on my way to the swimming pool, which I really care about. Enjoy me in swimwear. It is so cold. Oh god, I feel like I'm literally dying. Oh, now is whenever you can. I'm telling myself to keep sitting. No, wait. Are you praying for me or what? Are you praying for me, babe? Are you not talking to me now?
No, I'm not.
Bro. Bro, it's cool. Okay. You can take pictures now. I know, aside for so eyes. So I have been creating content all day, basically. That's what I've been up to. Terry was kind enough to come here and do my makeup before 8 a.m. She was here, guys. Book her now. Instagram is running on the screen, and she put me, I'm gonna be in a yellow dress later, but she put me in orange and yellow. This girl, just go and book her. I won't even talk to you anymore. Just go and book her. So anyway, my stay has been really good. I wish the service was faster, because the food takes a really long time to come. Once it's there, you're really excited that it's there, but like it takes a full on 40 minutes to come, and like nobody has time to wait for all that just for a starter. but their service is really nice. Outside of that, the staff is super welcoming. The reception was great. It was so brilliant. I felt like I was home. It was like a nice big warm hug. And my life has been in a shambles, so I've been needing this break. I really have enjoyed my stay. So checkout is 11 a.m. I always request late checkout because I'm always late. I'm a content creator, so I need double the time other people are getting because I'm creating content to show you guys what's actually happening. So I always ask for late checkout. I've asked for 2 p.m. It's like 1:30 something. So yeah, I need to hop to it, and I need to finish the rest of my content that I'll be shooting now on my way out. I'm gonna take my lunch to go because I have other errands I need to go to. My partner has someone else he needs to be, so we'll take our lunch to go. We'll just eat the dessert because who leaves ice cream? Not me. And then we'll take everything else to go. So yeah, enjoy seeing the food we ate last night. Enjoy seeing our breakfast. That was really, really yummy. Enjoy seeing the cute me enjoying that breakfast.
The next day.
Oh, you're recording. I was like, what are you doing in landscape? I thought you were taking landscape pictures. Lol. Do you want to do a cheers with me for YouTube? Cheers. And definitely book your staycation with them because there's so many activities to do. You could go karting. There's a movie cinema. It's a whole mall. So if you're here even on a long stay, you will not be bored. There's things to do. Okay. So I'll see you when I'm leaving. Bye. Guys, look at my date. Wow, a cutie. She has the shoes. She's that short. That's what she needs to do. Cute. I'm Terry's date. She's so lucky to have me. Wow.
Yeah.
Wow.
Cutie. Oh my
dinner.
God.
Terry, please tell us why you're eating strawberry ice cream.
It's sweet.
It's disgusting.
Nice.
It tastes like cow paw. Comment down below if you're judging Terry. I definitely am. Wow. The dessert is giving. Okay. Very nice.
Your
Hii
lips
sasa
are beautiful.
ndio iko juu. Really cute.
Oh, sana. Wow.
Period.
Yeah.
The next day.
Guys, I just remembered I'm a vlogger. You're welcome for the landscape video. This is as far as I go into my swimming career.